Posey plans a party. P is for Posey. And for party? I'm planning. Posey is planning a party. P is also for puppy. Puppy is Posey's party helper. Posey asks, should I have a pink party or a purple party? Puppy grabs a pink sock and holds it tightly between her paws. Okay, says Posey. We'll have a pink party. Puppy follows Posey to the kitchen. What should we serve? Puppy shows Posey some hot dogs. Silly puppy, says Posey. Hot doesn't begin with P and neither does dog. We eat pizza with pasta on pink paper plates. What should we have for dessert? Asks Posey. Puppy brings Posey a dog biscuit. Silly puppy, says Posey. Biscuit does not begin with P. We'll have pink pudding in perfect glasses. When we're done, you can wipe your mouth with a purple napkin. I like purple too. Puppy growls. Grrr. Puppy doesn't like the idea of wiping her face. Or maybe she wants a different dessert. Why do you think Puppy is growling? What should I wear? Asked Posey. Should I be a princess? Or a pirate? Or a piano player? Before Puppy has time to answer, Posey says, I know. I'll be a piano-playing princess and you'll perform. Okay? Woof, says Puppy. Let's practice, says Posey. Posey tells Puppy to sing. Aroo! No, yells Posey. That's not the way to sing. Puppy barks. She's mad at Posey. She does not like yelling. She prefers praise. Walk, walk. Okay, you play the piano and I'll sing, says Posey. Posey sings. What's going on? Asks Posey's mommy. We're practicing for a party. Listen to the invitation. Princess Posey and Poco Puppy request the honor of your presence at a pizza, pasta and pickles picnic. Please wear pink. The party begins at 5. On Posey's porch, please be prompt. Posey's mommy prepares the pizza and the pasta. She uses a pan and a pot. Posey's daddy prepares the pudding. He uses 2 pots. Posey finds what she needs to set the table. Place cards, salt and pepper, plastic forks and spoons, purple napkins, placemats, paper plates and plastic cups. Puppy picks pink peonies. Everyone gets dressed for the party. Mommy wears a purple dress with pink pearls. Daddy wears a pink polo with purple pants. Posey is a pink princess. She puts a pink hat and a pink collar on Puppy. Posey pours pink lemonade. Puppy spills the lemonade and makes a puddle. It's okay, says Posey. It's just a puddle and not a piddle. Here's to pink, says Daddy. Pink lemonade and my pink princess. Anyone need a pepper? Asks Mommy. Should I pour? Asks Daddy. Pass the pickles, please, says Posey. Are you ready for dessert? Mommy asks. Woo! We're ready, says Posey. Posey praises Daddy's pudding. Perfect pudding. Perfect planning. Perfect party. What's my name? Clue. It begins with P. How many other words beginning with P can you find in this book? If you can find, please comment your words in the comment section.